GoPro, first use. Woo! I'm excited. Yes, y'all, this is where I slept last night. One day I'll go up. But until then, my heart will go on singing. Until then, with joy I'll carry on. Until the day, the city. Until the day God calls me home. So yeah, gas is cheap in Wisconsin. It's cold at night, and it looks really pretty. Southern Wisconsin, at least, or wherever I am. This place is nice. It reminds me of like Michigan, but like a lot more space. Aim is higher, trusting in Him is my desire. Making it day to day requires Him. All I ever wanted was truth. All I ever needed was you. All that I want is Jesus. Yo, I've stopped in I love this town's name. It reminds me of an anime character, but it's Menominee. Beautiful town in Wisconsin near Eau Claire, very close to Minneapolis. And stopped to get a beer. I wanna be where you are, dwelling in your presence, surrounded by your glory. In God's presence, that's where I always want to be. I just want. I'm in getting gas in the middle of nowhere. Before I zoom off, this is pretty. That's very noisy. Ooh, I'm about to go out of North Dakota to head out west to see the real sights. Yeah, so I've taken a stop. Just scenic place here. I think I'm still in North Dakota, or I might be in Montana now. I don't know. But I'm on my way. I'm 408 miles from Billings, Montana, and this is lovely scenes, bro. I have always dreamed of like escaping from my life and life in general to Montana, and being like a young lumberjack somewhere or something like that. And as I was driving, it's like the Holy Spirit just reminded me of Montana, and I was like, Montana. I was like, oh, I was going to name one of my daughters her middle name or English name Montana, because it's like escape to me, you know, freedom, peace, beauty. Yeah, and also composed the song Montana. But here I go to Montana alone, and it's beautiful. I get to spend time like in my place of solitude. So at this point, it's too windy, and I'm at Theodore Roosevelt Park, overlooking the Badlands in, I believe this is Montana, the edges of Montana, or North Dakota. It's probably North Dakota still. And at this point I was singing, and it's super windy, and so you can't hear me at all. Well, you can, but it's not good. So just recording this voiceover. You can see it's absolutely beautiful, and I'm stunned, and I'm probably saying some things that don't really make any sense, but they make sense to me. But I'm just super happy. Look at me. It's like I'm standing on the edge of the Titanic, and life is great and beautiful. So this is life. I want to do it again. As far as the eye can see is God's beauty. But it's only for those who choose to look deeper. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now, why is it called the Badlands? Listen, so while on this road trip, I've decided to just sing the hymnal and just sing and sing it. I've received a blessing. Don't worry, my phone's mounted up, you know, and I'm paying attention to the road as I'm doing it. But yeah, it's a beautiful thing. It's a different thing when you're not congregational singing, when you're just singing to God by yourself, alone in the car. It's beautiful. I just like the background, you know. Yeah, I've gotten to sing some hymns that I didn't know that I knew, and some new ones that I've learned, and the words to each of them are beautiful. You know, I believe the Holy Spirit inspired those hymn writers, man. Those things are a sermon and a half. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Are those bison? I'm running. Running to you. Are they running? Running away. That's crazy. It's crazy. Crazy. Yo, so glad I stopped.